Notice how these tundra mosses absorb moisture instantly. Welcome to the prehistoric summer, where the great glacial melt brings life to the valley. The organic oil emulsion really softens the leather hide effectively. This is our chance game, the oldest form of leisure known to man. This is our chance game, the oldest form of leisure known to man. These ancient insect repellents kept them safe, allowing for deep, elevated sleep.
In persistent tracking biology, every crushed stem is a map of the predator's path.
In the Ice Age, we preserved food by freezing it deep in the earth. Collagen extraction was the secret to their strongest adhesives. Observe the capillary filtration and natural carbon purifiers at work. Textile evolution is simply the story of our ingenuity. These natural neurorepellents are the only defense we have against the swarm. They understood that light bends long before we had lenses. The alkaloids are fully neutralized by the sour broth, which softens the ivory just enough to carve it. In prehistoric toxicology, we harvest organic acids from the source. This structure represents the evolution of mobile architecture. This nettle fiber is the thread of our past. The wet clay binds to the alkaloids, neutralizing the toxins in the tubers. The mechanical leverage of the reticle amplifies the thrower's force, applying thermodynamics to drive the dart into the target. The mechanics of the pielistic blade rely entirely on the angle of the strike.
The sun is our oven here. Nature's heat slowly drawing out every drop of moisture.
The riverbed hydrology here creates a perfect natural trap. Organic binders are crucial for making the pigment stick to the rock. The tensile strength in these flexible fibers is actually quite remarkable. The heat activates the resin's natural vigicity, creating a binding agent. Observe the abrasive technology used here. The tensile strength of these natural bast fibers is incredible. We transform raw mud into fired ceramic mineral structures. So, about 10,000 years ago, our hunter-gatherer ancestors discovered that the genetic potential of wild grains actually be unlocked through domestication. So, kinetic force is essentially the energy of motion, which is transferred from the hammer to the stone. They used tannic acid found in oak bark to denature the collagen, preserving the heads before dried. This is how our prehistoric ancestors sorts their sugar.
Observe the texture of this clay mixture. The water content is perfect for shaping. The design allows for rapid demantling and reassembly as we track the changing seasons. Never touch the Monkshood roots. The sap is deadly. Understanding the hydrodynamics of the hull-to-water ratio is crucial for optimal buoyancy. The migration patterns are shifting rapidly this season.